Okay, so in the last video, we have discussed about the cloud services like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. You can take it out the last video link, which is in the description box. So just I'm continuing from there. Apart from that, you can also get the next video link in the description box, as well as the entire complete playlist of Azure to get all the videos and the details. So let's continue it from there and see what exactly we have else next. Okay, so when we talk about the Azure, so this is a portal where you can get the details on the or resources related to Microsoft Azure. It's azure.microsoft.com. If you go to this location, let me just quickly show you. Okay, if I go to, I think I need to open the browser. Let me just quickly open it. Okay, if I go to azure.microsoft.com, okay, I will be getting all the stuffs related to Microsoft Azure. You can register your free trial account from here. For this, you require a couple of information like you need an one credit card, but it's just for the validation purpose of your identity. It's not like something it will charge or it deducts some amount. So it's not like that. You can try to sign up free trial account from here, and it provides you a 200 USD approximate. If you talk about in INR, it's around 13,000 or something for 30 days. So that you can use, and you can build your virtual machines, you can build your applications, services, and everything. So it's in 30 days trial, and some services and storage for the 12 months you will be getting over there. So you can run just go ahead and create a trial free account. So that would be beneficial once we move ahead and see the Azure implementation and testing. So you can just quickly register your account from here, start free, and it will ask for sign up of Microsoft account. You have to just need your Outlook account or the Hotmail account as a recommended one. Either you can use a Gmail, etc. also. So you can use that account and register your profile. So that will help in testing purpose. I will show you how it's work. Okay, so with the portal you can get the documentation, you will get Azure solutions, you can price, billing information, and everything. And another portal is also there, that is portal.azure.com. To if you want to manage the services, you can go on the location, that is portal.azure.com. That is portal.azure.com. You can go there, it will ask to sign up, and then once you sign into this, it will open your home page or administration portal of Microsoft Azure. This is how it is. Let me just quickly go back and show you what all the services we are getting in Microsoft Azure. Okay, I will show the technical labs also, how we can create, how we can implement the Azure parts and sections, like what are the labs and the testings, how we can do that. I will show that also. Okay, so let's quickly see the understand the Azure services that are offered by Microsoft. So what all the type of services, you can see the major categorization in the form of compute, networking, data and storage, web and mobile, and a couple of other services. Those are also a part of this Azure structure or Azure platform. So this is what we have in Azure. If we talk about the compute, so compute is nothing else, is just like a servicing structure model, like through which we can recognize or identify the model of computing resources. So the model of computing resources could be a virtual machine, it could be a virtual machine scale set, any cloud service, any container, container registry, container services. So wherever you can deploy or your resources can run or your application can run, that is considered as a compute here. It's Could be a virtual machine, or could be a container, or could be an app service platform. If we talk about the network section in the Azure, we have an virtual networks. We can configure the VNets and the virtual networks that can be utilized by the various applications or your servers also, or whatever the infrastructure you are going to deploy. And everything is a part of integrated network itself only. We can configure the access routes and the load balancers. I will show you how we can configure it. Same as the traffic manager and the application gateways. I will show everything in the labs as well as and the theoretical concept in detail. We have an DNS service available in the Azure that we can also host it. For the storage purpose, if we talk about, we can place the Azure base storage disk. That could be a premium and the high speed disk also available in this. Sorry, I just clicked on that. Okay. We have a blob storage available and that can be explored by the end users. Users can store it and use the blob storage structure. We have a file, queues, tables, store samples, like all type of storage categorization is available, as well as we can utilize that storage. Apart from this, we have an uh, Azure site recovery and the backup options available that I will show you how we can use and store it. We have an web and mobile based application deployment functionality available, and these all are associated with your Azure Active Directory, Active Directory domain services, multi-factor authentications, key vaults, network watcher, like a lot of things, backups, monitoring. So these are integrated with these core four platform structures: the compute network, data storage, and the web mobile. So these are uh, integrated with that. We have an IoT functionality available, that Internet of Things. We have an IoT Azure IoT Hub itself as a feature in the Azure. We can use the hybrid integration with Azure Bus Services, event grids, API management. So a lot of things are there that I will cover in the next couple of videos. So we have an identity and access management, that is Azure Key Vault and Azure Active Directory, as well as multi-factor authentication is a part of identity and access management. It's called in the short form as IAM. In some organization, they have their own dependent team to just uh, establish or build it. So this is all about, guys, till now. I will be continued in the next video. You can see my next video and the link is in description box. From there you can take it the next video, as well as the entire playlist is mentioned. So you can just keep watching my channel and do subscribe it. Thank you so much.